Number 1. Extraordinary Attorney Wu. Diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder. 27-year-old Wu Young-Woo graduated at the top of her class, from the prestigious Seoul National University, for both college and law school. Due to her high IQ of 164, impressive memory, and creative thought process. However, she still finds herself struggling when it comes to social interactions. Young-Woo begins to work as a trainee lawyer at a large law firm. While working there, she faces prejudice and irrationality against her. But she solves cases with her own unique perspective and grows as a lawyer. Starring Park Eun-bin, Kang Tae-oh. Number 2. Vincenzo. The drama is about Vincenzo Casano, an Italian lawyer and mafia consigliere, who is of Korean descent, but was adopted by an Italian family at a young age. Due to a conflict within his organization, Vincenzo is forced to return to South Korea, where he hides under the name Park Joo-hyung. There, he crosses paths with Hong Cha-young, a lawyer who is dedicated to winning every case she takes on. Together, they join forces in using villainous methods to take down villains who cannot be punished by the court of law. Starring Song Joong-ki, John Yeo-bin, Ok Tae-kyun. Number 3. Military Prosecutor Doberman. The drama follows the story of two military prosecutors who chose the same job for very different reasons. Doberman became military prosecutor only to make more money and be successful. On the other hand, Cha Woo-in, the only daughter of a chaebol family, who chooses to become a military prosecutor for revenge. However, as they work on the same case, Baeman and Woo-in help each other and even grow together as fine military prosecutors. Starring On Bo-hyun, Jo Bo-ah. Number 4. Lawless Lawyer. Bong Sang-pil is a former gang member who now works as a lawyer. Crafty and well aware of the loopholes in the legal system, he uses it to his advantage to bring justice. Sang-pil is in the pursuit of revenge for his mother's death and approaches Ha Jae, a righteous lawyer, who has been disbarred from court, and asks her to work with him. Together, they form a formidable team as they find themselves up against villainous adversaries. Starring Lee Joon-ki, Seo Ye-ji. Number 5. Stranger. Hwang Si-mak underwent brain surgery as a child to curb his violent temper, which left him devoid of emotions. He becomes a prosecutor, known for his piercing intelligence and logic, but he is ostracized because he lacks empathy and social skills. Hwang Si-mak is also one of only a handful of upright prosecutors who have refused to take bribes. While investigating a murder, he meets Police Lieutenant Han Yo-jin at the crime scene. Together, they join forces to root out corruption at the prosecutor's office and solve a serial murder case. Starring Cho Sung-woo, Bae Do-na. Number 6. While You Were Sleeping. The drama focuses on the tale of three young adults who have acquired the ability to see the future through their dreams. Field reporter Nam Hong-ju, rookie prosecutor Young Jae-chan, and police officer Han Woo-tak. Some dreams reveal crimes that Jae-chan must investigate, while others show disastrous events that one or more of them will have to endure. Conflicted by these dreams, the trio collaborate with each other to prevent their dreams from turning into reality and to defeat their archenemy, the corrupt lawyer Lee Yoo-beom. Starring Lee Jong-suk, Bae Suzy, Young Hae-in, Lee Sang-yob. Number 7. Defendant. Park Young-woo is a prosecutor at Seoul Central District Prosecutor's Office. One day, he wakes up and finds himself locked up at the police station. Park Young-woo is falsely accused and is sentenced to death. Suffering from temporary amnesia, Young-woo has no idea what transpired to land him in prison. He struggles to recover his memory and clear his name before his time is up. Starring Ji-sung, Ki-jun, Kwon Yuri. Number 8. Juvenile Justice. Shim-eun-suk is an elite judge with a cold and distant personality who hates juvenile offenders. After she gets assigned to a local juvenile court, she tries to balance her aversion to minor offenders with firm beliefs on justice and punishment as she tackles complex cases, while discovering what being an adult truly means. Starring Kim Hae-soo, Kim Woo-yeol, Lee Sung-min, Lee Young-eun. Number 9. $1 Lawyer. The drama is about troublemaker lawyer Chun Ji-hoon, who is extremely skilled, but only charges 1,000 won as his attorney's fee. He fights against the most expensive lawyers, and their rich clients, who try to get away with breaking the law. Starring Nam Gung-min, Kim Ji-eun. Number 10. The Devil Judge. Set in a dystopian Korea, where society has collapsed, as the people erupt with distrust and hatred against their leaders. It tells the story of head trial judge Kang Yo-han, known as the Devil Judge, who runs a brutal courtroom reality show, punishing the guilty with ruthless precision. However, his mysterious aura conceals his true identity and purpose, making the viewers question if Kang Yo-han is a hero or a villain. Starring Ji-sung, Park Jin-young, Kim Min-young, and Park Gyu-young. Number 11. Again My Life. Kim Hee-woo is a public prosecutor with a strong sense of justice. However, while investigating a corrupt politician named Jo Tae-sup, he is murdered by a hitman. Kim Hee-woo is saved by a mysterious Grim Reaper, who travels him back in time before getting murdered. With his second chance of life, he vows to take revenge on Jo Tae-sup. Starring Lee Joon-ki, Lee Kyung-young, Kim Ji-eun. Number 12. Law School. Set in Hankook University Law School, the drama follows the story of students and professors who get involved in extraordinary cases. It depicts the process of lawyers-to-be students realizing what law and justice truly mean, as they survive through a blood-stained law school. Starring Kim Myung-min, Kim Beom, Ryu Hae-young, Lee Young-eun, Go Yoon-young, and Hyun-woo. Number 13. Hyena. Hyena revolves around Yoon Hee-jae and Young Gum-ja, who are lawyers that work for the richest 1% of society. Young Gum-ja is a lawyer who is after money only. She does whatever it takes and uses any means necessary to win a case. Yoon Hee-jae is a high-class lawyer who is smart and confident at his job. Though the main characters are lawyers, Hyena is not a typical legal drama as they use the law as a weapon of survival. Starring Kim Hae-soo, Ju Ji-hoon. Number 14. Suspicious Partner. The story revolves around No Ji-wook, a talented prosecutor, and Eun Bong-hee, a spirited prosecutor trainee. Their paths cross when Bong-hee is falsely accused of murdering her ex-boyfriend. Despite initial misunderstandings, Ji-wook believes in her innocence and helps clear her name. As they work together to uncover the truth behind the murder, they discover that the case is linked to a series of killings by a cunning serial killer. Starring Ji Chong-wook, Nam Ji-hyun. Number 15. Good Partner. Good Partner is an office and law drama about Cha Eun-kyung, a 17-year veteran divorce lawyer at law firm Dae-young. Though a seasoned lawyer herself, she herself deals with the pain of ongoing divorce. At a turbulent crossroads in her life, she faces a major change when she clashes and bonds with rookie lawyer Han Yuri, a new lawyer who is her complete opposite. Starring Jang Nara, Nam Ji-hyun.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get more videos.